Join me as I dive into the world of decentralized banking with wefi and see if I can uncover the benefits that come with that. Decentralized banking is a game changer, and wefi is at the forefront of this revolution. The traditional banking systems have been around for centuries, but they're not without their flaws. As we explore the world of decentralized banking, you'll see why wefi is an exciting alternative. One of the biggest issues with traditional banking systems is the high fees. Whether it's transaction fees, maintenance fees, or ATM fees, it can add up quickly. These fees can be a significant burden, especially for those who are already struggling financially. It's like being nicked and dimed to death. You work hard for your money and then you get hit with all these extra charges. Another issue is the lack of transparency. Have you ever tried to read a bank's terms and conditions? It's like trying to decipher a foreign language. You might think you're getting a good deal, but there are often hidden clauses and conditions that can catch you off guard. And let's not forget about the limited access to banking services. There are still millions of people around the world who don't have access to basic banking services, about 1.5 billion people, in fact. This is where decentralized banking comes in. With wefi, you get lower fees, which means you can keep more of your hard-earned money. The platform uses blockchain technology to ensure that transactions are secure and transparent. This means you have complete control over finances and can see exactly where your money is going. Plus, decentralized banking is more accessible. So more people can participate in the global economy. The security benefits of decentralized banking with wefi are huge. Since the platform is decentralized, there's no single point of failure. This makes it much harder for hackers to target. And with smart contracts, you can automate many processes, which reduces the risk of human error. This all adds up to a more secure financial system. Enhanced security and lower fees are just the beginning. Decentralized banking with wefi also offers greater financial inclusion. People from all over the world can access banking services regardless of their location or financial status. This can help to reduce poverty and promote economic growth. It's a more equitable financial system. One of the most compelling success stories about wefi is how it's helping people in developing countries access financial services. In some areas, people were previously unbanked, but with wefi, they're now able to save, borrow, and invest. This is having a transformative impact on their lives. They're able to start businesses, send money to family members, and build a more secure financial future. The impact of wefi's decentralized banking model is being felt across the globe. For instance, in the certain regions, wefi has enabled small businesses to access loans that were previously out of reach. This has led to job creation and economic growth, showcasing the real-world benefits of decentralized finances. As we look at the success stories, it becomes clear that decentralized banking with wefi isn't just an alternative, it's a necessary evolution of our financial systems. By providing a more secure, transparent, and accessible way to manage finances, wefi is paving the way for a more inclusive global economy. The story of wefi's impact is one of hope and transformation. It's a reminder that with the right technology and vision, we can create a better financial future for everyone. In summary, decentralized banking with wefi offers lower fees, enhanced security, and greater financial inclusion. It's a more equitable and efficient way to manage finances, and it's revolutionizing the way we interact with money. If you have any thoughts on decentralized banking or wefi, I'd love to hear them in the comments. If you're interested in learning more about financial innovations, check out our next video on the future of digital payments. If you'd like to speak to me about anything you've seen on this video or any other video on this channel, you can call me. Number is in the description down below this video. If you want to sign up to wefi, I've left a bit.ly link and a QR code in the description below the video. Cheers for now.